What's up guys, it's Kyra, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do this super quick and super easy makeup tutorial for this Halloween season. We all know Halloween is right around the corner, and so it's time to start prepping and planning our looks. And so I just knew that this year one of the most sought after costumes or makeup looks would be Black Panther inspired, or of course the Women of Wakanda. And I want to go ahead and create this tribal inspired look that honestly flows perfectly with the movie and can be paired with any kind of costume or outfit or anything like that. I also want to note that I did get all of the products used in this video from Kroger, and if you are looking for an affordable destination for all of your Halloween makeup needs, then go ahead and check out Kroger or your local Kroger family of stores. They have a ton of makeup brands and a ton of affordable options, so you are sure to find something that you'll love. So I'll go ahead and stop rambling and jump into the tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, my hair is already balled up in little bantu knots. So now onto the face. For foundation, I'll be taking the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Toffee Caramel. Favorite drugstore foundations. It is amazing. I'm gonna kind of just dot this all over. And of course, just go ahead and blend it out with the brush of your choice. Foundation is set. Next up is going to be to highlight and contour. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden. Just applying this to the areas that I wanna brighten up or highlight. So under my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And then of course, go ahead and blend that out with a beauty sponge of your choice. You wanna make sure everything is nice and blended, that the edges are all blended out and that everything kind of flows together. I'm gonna do a slight cream contour today. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick in the shade Mocha. I'm gonna just do a fish face and apply this right where my cheekbone is. It's a little bit along my forehead. I'm gonna go back in with that same beauty sponge and just blend this all out. Roll it, like kind of press and roll as I am blending. And as you can see, I am blending it upwards. So I'm blending it up into the highlight because I want the contour to marry into the highlight. Now to set that highlight, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. It is, again, one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best drugstore setting powders for the highlighted areas and actually for all over the face. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Infallible Pro Matte Powder in the shade Classic Tan and just set the perimeter of my face where I applied the foundation. And that, of course, helps the foundation to stay in place all day, prevent oiliness, and just keep it intact. And on to bronze up and warm up the skin, I'm going to take a new product. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder, or the Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade Mocha. So let's take a fluffy brush and just apply this on top of wherever you applied the contour, which that looks really good. And you can't forget the nose. And then with that same blending brush, I'm going to also bring this same bronzer or pressed powder into the creases of my eyes. And the Women of Wakanda, their looks were always very natural. And so I definitely want to keep with that same theme. Now for lips, just go ahead and line your lips with a brown liner of your choice. And then I'm very excited about trying the new L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. So I'm going to go in with the shade Box O Chocolate and just apply this to my lips. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I just use my finger to help distribute the product. I'm gonna also go into just a dab of this one here. This is not part of the chocolate collection, but it is also one of their Pro Matte liquid lipsticks. And this is in the shade Nudist. Yeah, I love that. That's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and tightline my waterline with the Covergirl Perfect Point Plus pencil. Gonna also tightline my upper lash line. And by tightline, I just mean applying the pencil right along my lash line. And just a little bit of highlighter, I want to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Again, I'm keeping it very natural. And then last but not least is going to be the fun part. And this is going to be our tribal dots, our war dots, whatever you want to call them. But it's going to really be what brings the tribal vibe to this look. Well, this is a L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail eyeliner in the shade White. It is just a plain white mechanical pencil. This pencil, you guys, is bomb. It's so easy to work with, and the pigment obviously shows up really well. Can't forget to go ahead and apply some mascara to our lashes. For mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Last Paradise in the shade Black, and it's applying this to my top and bottom lashes. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and put on a tribal inspired necklace and also added a few more dots here along the collarbone and also along my throat area. Just kind of make it a little bit more festive and pull everything together. I can't forget to note that, of course, you can't, complete a natural look without natural nails. For my nails, I did go ahead and use the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry nail color in the shade in Nude-tral. It's like the perfect nude for us brown girls. And I also love how fast this dries. This is like the perfect polish for on the go. So here's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy Halloween costume inspired by Black Panther or the Women of Wakanda. Yes, yes, Wakanda forever. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.